Hi everyone, my name is Gregory Mark. I received a lot of questions about how we restore our implants with the CEREC or any kind of any other prosthetic parts. So, in how the biological weights will be influenced the position of the type base color. The problem is, it's as you can see on this picture in a bar from the COI symposium. That's a reference point, and that's where your reference point is. That's where you start your biological weight development, or when you place any healing caps, any prosthetic part on top of the implants. That's your reference point. And your reference point is going to be influenced also where the position of this interaction between the prosthetic part and the implant. As you can see on the diagram, the first picture you can see on your left side, there's an implant connection with the polished color, and you still can see that the implant being placed down the bone, not even with the bone that's with the polished color, and you still have a bone loss since the polished color is not friendly to the bone. Then the other one is you can see a rough color in butt joint, but you can still see this interconnection between the prosthetic part and the implant, and you still have a bone loss. With the rough color and platform switch, you can see the bone is much more stable. If you place those implants deeper, again, your reference point is going to be much deeper into the bone, and you still have, with different designs, some of the bone loss, because that's what you start your reference point for your biological width. It's not where your color of your type base rests, but it's the interaction between the platform, between the implant and prosthetic part. So this is what I want to make sure it's clear. So some people posting on the discussion board, it's the color is supposed to be 3.5 millimeter from the base of the implant, and that's gonna prevent the bone loss in developing in successful biological width. It's not the case, because the color nothing to do with the biological width. It's interconnection between, again, the implant and the platform, prosthetic platform. Also, it's I want to point it out that your type base color will depend what emergence profile you will get when you restore your implants. Okay, either it's going to be on posterior or the front area. So make sure the color will not impinge on adjacent bone, and you have enough soft tissue development between the prosthetic part and the implant. That's why the platform switch was more successful, because it allowed to bring more soft tissue into the space. And it's also the concept from the zero bone loss concept, when the author saying it's if you place again your implant much deeper, depends of course on design the implant, and a platform switch, you will gain also a vertical thickness of the tissue and a horizontal, which going to be make more stable for the bone and prevent the bone loss. So I hope I'll make sure that the video will make it clear. So type base color will not depend with the biological width. That's because it's usually below where the interconnection of the type base or any prosthetic part in the implant. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Thank you.